How to activate TD Bank credit card. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you'll see the search box. Over there, type in TD Bank credit card and search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, explore TD Bank credit card and apply online. With that, you'll be directed to this kind of page. Now scrolling down, you're going to find different credit card options of TD. Just scroll and check double up credit card, cash credit card, and many more. And below credit card, you can find all the details of the credit card, annual fee, terms and conditions, likewise the credit limit. In order to apply for any of the card, you have to click on the option of apply now and go through the process. Once you have applied for the card, then you have got the card. Now how to activate it? For that, scroll all the way down. At the bottom, you're going to find the option of contact us. Click on it. Now here you're going to find different sections. Here towards the section of TD credit cards, here you can see that number is provided. You can call on this number and have conversation to activate the credit card. This way you can easily activate TD credit card. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.